Power is the rate at which energy is transferred or work is done. Remember that work is a transfer of energy by a force. A box being moved across a surface is a good example of work being done, where the force comes from the hand and is applied to the box, and the box can then move across the surface. This is because energy is transferred from the hand to the box and work is done. But how long does this process take? Well, this depends on the amount of power provided. But what does it mean for one process to be more powerful than another one? A more powerful process takes less time to complete than a less powerful one. So let's consider 2 pots of water boiling. We can see a difference in power where the one with the bigger flame is more powerful as the water boils in less time. In a similar way, if we have 2 weightlifters, one with more powerful muscles, the one with more powerful muscles can lift the weights in less time. You don't need to know these specific examples for your exam, but you might be expected to describe how simple examples like these ones show differences in power. So you might have heard the term electrical power. What does that mean? Electrical components have power ratings that show the recommended rate at which electrical energy should be transferred to them. This is usually found in the form of a sticker on the back or bottom of a component, and the recommended power is usually shown as a range. If the power is too low, the component won't work, and if it's too high, it could be dangerous. So what do we mean by the power of an engine? The power of a motor determines how quickly an object accelerates and gains kinetic energy. So a motor is simply a device which supplies kinetic energy to machines. A mobility scooter is a great example of a low-power engine, as it doesn't usually require high acceleration. A train is a great example of a high-power engine, as it often needs to accelerate quickly. Motors also need to be powerful at times to oppose strong resistive forces. For example, if the train needed to climb a hill. You don't need to know these specific examples for your exam, but you might be expected to describe how simple examples like these ones show differences in the power of motors.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun, with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor, who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Physics course. See you there!